Hi all, just want to say a big thank you to Aidan and to everybody at Slide Glide for this new wardrobe we got fitted recently. Initially we did quite a bit of research into it, first online, and then we went to visit different manufacturers' showrooms. We just found at Slide Glide's showroom that everything there was really good quality. We loved what we saw, so we sat down with Aidan and we told him what we were looking for in a wardrobe. He gave us 3 or 4 different options. We took those away with us. And once we decided exactly what we wanted, we went back to Slide Glide, Aidan did up the final drawings, and we just took it from there. When it came to fitting the wardrobe, it couldn't have went any better. The fitter, Tom, arranged the date with us. He arrived promptly that morning, finished the job that evening, and the place was absolutely spotless when he left, completely cleaned up everything, and was ready to be used. Okay, so this is the finished wardrobe. We'll try and have a look around. I just changed the camera lens to try and fit it all in shot. So on this side, plenty of storage. There's, lots of drawers, really good quality. Open storage, and also 2 trouser racks. So they're really handy. On the other side, it actually opens up into a big corner unit. So lots of storage in the space here. Long hanging clothes, short hanging clothes, and it goes always around. And here the other side of this, again, more drawers, more open storage. And then at the end here we had a problem that we had a chimney breast in the room. So Aidan came up with a great idea here. He made hinge doors and recessed shelving in here, which has turned into half shoe rack and half storage. So we're absolutely delighted with the wardrobe. It really brings a lot of light into the room, as this is a dark room with north facing. So the whole place is really light, bright, and we absolutely love the wardrobe. Thanks a million. Yeah, and we'll be back shortly to get our daughter's bedroom fitted out.